Today I'll be teaching you how to turn any image to video with AI. Now we are using Google Flow. The link is labs.google/fx/tools/flow. I'll put the link in the description down below. So first you sign in with your Google account, then you click on New Project. So you can use agent mode or you can click and then you manually select yourself. So I click over here and then I select that I want to make a video. So I click on video, and because I'm turning an image into video, I will select frames. And now I can upload my image. So here I can choose the aspect ratio, I can choose a vertical video or a horizontal video. Then below I can select the model, so there's Omni Flash. If I click here, I can choose other models like VO 3.1 and so on. So I go with Omni Flash. Next, you can choose the duration of your video. So there's 4 seconds, 6, 8, or 10 seconds. Now, the longer the video, the more credits it will cost. So a 4 seconds video will be 7 credits. If it's 6 seconds, it will be 10 credits. 8 seconds will be 12. 10 seconds will be 15 credits. You can also choose how many videos you want to generate. So that's for one video, it will be 15 credits. If you choose 2, then it will be double. So if I click on here, you can see now it's 30 credits. If I click on 3, it will be 45 and so on. So in this example, I'll just select one video that will be 10 seconds long and this will cost 15 credits. Now with Google Flow, every day you will get 50 credits for free. So you can do the math on how many videos you can generate. So in this case, if I'm generating a 6-second video, it will cost 10 credits, which means I can generate 5 6 seconds video every day for free. So in this example, I'm just going to generate a 10 seconds video and this is going to cost 15 credits. So now I will upload the image that I want to use. So I click on Start and then I'll upload the first image that I want to use, which will be this. Then I click on Add to Prompt. So let's turn this image into a video. So below you put in your prompt, just describe the video that you want. So here I've asked AI to help me to write a prompt. So here I'm asking, the man in the green jacket walks up to the grey sports car, gets into the driver's seat, and smoothly accelerates down the bustling Tokyo street as the camera tracks behind from a third-person perspective. So I click over here to generate this video. So it's done. It took about 1 minute. And this is what it looks like. Now, if you want to download the video, you can go to the top right corner, you click on the 3 dots, then you go to download. You can download the video in HD 720p. Now, if you want to download it in full HD, 1080p or 4K, then you have to upgrade to a paid plan, then you can download it.